please.
All right, here we go, huh? Wow, what's that?
That's impressive.
I have no idea what it is.
Wow.
What is it? Books?
Pretty cool.
Very nice.
Okay, next present.
Okay, do the next one.
Go.
Okay, I'm going to set these right here.
You do that. Alright.
Wow.
What is it?
Oh.
It looks like something I look like.
Oh,
A
good.
dolly.
Did you walk, talk, and crawl?
What does it do?
Wow.
Does it walk, talk, close its eyes, and go to sleep?
Oh, wow. What's that dolly called? What's the name?
I want a baby doll that walks, talks, closes its eyes, and goes to sleep.
Let's see it.
Yeah.
Whoa. Very nice.
Hey,
Okay.
don't throw it, or it's going to break.
Blake, how you doing?
Okay.
That's one.
Now, what else did you want from Santa?
You.
I don't know. I'm garden rollers.
Oh, no. I hope that's what that is. Can I have you turn here?